Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're talking about the best bird netting for strawberries, the Ruolan bird netting for garden. If you're a gardening enthusiast or just someone trying to protect your fruits and plants from pesky critters like birds, squirrels, or even deer, then this product is a game changer for you. This 13 by 20 feet bird netting is made from durable polypropylene, designed to keep your garden safe from unwanted visitors. What makes this netting stand out is its mesh size of 0.8 inches by 0.8 inches, which is just the right size to prevent birds and other animals from stealing your berries or damaging your plants. Whether you're growing strawberries, blueberries, or other delicate fruit, this netting acts as an effective barrier without obstructing the sunlight your plants need. Unlike other nets that are prone to rusting or rotting, this Ruolan netting is UV and rot resistant, making it a long-lasting solution for your garden. It's made to withstand harsh weather conditions, ensuring your plants stay protected through all seasons. Plus, it's easy to install. Just cut it to the size and shape you need and secure it around your plants using stakes or columns. The best part? It won't tear easily or get tangled, so you can reuse it year after year. If you've been struggling with keeping animals out of your garden or looking for a way to protect your precious fruits, the Ruolan bird netting for garden is the perfect addition to your gardening tools. It's lightweight, sturdy, and flexible enough to be customized to fit any of your garden's needs. Thanks for watching this review from Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest, no-nonsense reviews of the best products out there. Stay tuned for more gardening tips and tricks.